Why hire a creative virtual assistant, and what can they do for you? They can help with your branding and blogging and websites. They can do anything creative for you, such as logos and signatures. They can make flyers and brochures, postcards, banners. They can create different social media sites for you. Creative virtual assistants can manage your social media sites. They can also manage Google My Business profile. They can help you with your websites. They can help you with edit and promote podcasts for you. Creative virtual assistants can help you edit and promote your radio and TV. Creative virtual assistant can help you with your local SEO. Creative virtual assistant can help you with so many things. There's a list probably of 30 things that they can do for you and your business. They can create and send out your monthly newsletter. They can help you with presentations. Creative virtual assistants can do so much for your business. They're also much more affordable than an in-house assistant. Look at hiring a creative virtual assistant.